Hi guys, this is Blessing of Blessing at the Bar and Shop Blessing at the Bar. This is a video all about my Civil Litigation Timeline Worksheets, and I'm going to show you how I use them. I've currently got GoodNotes open, and this is one form of note-taking software that I use to make digital notes on my iPad. And I also use other things like Notability and OneNote on my laptop and on my phone. So if you're interested in more about digital note-taking and how I implemented that at law school, on the GDL and at the bar course, then check out my YouTube channel, Blessing at the Bar. So to use the civil litigation timeline, you start at the pre-action stage at the top left, and then you follow the timeline through the duration of a typical civil case and all the way through to disclosure and the hearing. So I hope this has been a helpful overview on how to use the civil litigation timeline. I definitely recommend using a note-taking software like OneNote, GoodNotes, or Notability, and that way you can actually annotate. And that's why I provided a blank version of the syllabus spreadsheet that you can also annotate on. So if you look at this second version that you get supplied with, you can annotate and practice your CPR. So you can practice your knowledge that it's 16.2, and you can give yourself a little pop quiz and compare your answers and see what you got right and what you need to revise. I particularly liked using this when I had an opinion to write and I had to check the stage of a claim in order to advise on next steps. And so this is a great reference guide for you to keep alongside as you study. I hope this has been a helpful video, and please let me know if you have any questions. Find me at Blessing at the Bar or contact the Shop Blessing at the Bar page and someone in the team can help you. If you have any questions, please don't be shy about asking. Good luck with your studies, and I wish you the absolute best.